guys, so today I'm in my basement and we just woke up an hour ago and we decided to build a fort.
And I'm at his house, his friend. We build a humongous fort.
He slept over. So
and we put food in it, and this is our extra bear paw just in case the other ones get wrecked or
we kind of had a spill
Yeah, we'll show you that. Come on.
So
we'll show you our
fort. We'll show you. So I'll be right back, guys. I just gotta turn the camera around. So this is it doesn't look that cool, but
yeah, but when you go in this
it's like there's actually a roof, this is our blanket for our bed. So
yeah, let's bring it in.
Let's just bring it in. We kind of had a spill, so if you guys see some water,
here, show them right there.
Right there.
Yeah, you can pretty see.
Kind of looks like a donkey.
Yeah, donkey. Okay, we're under.
Yep.
Show them our food and drink pile.
So here's our food
and drink.
Yeah. So I kind of spilled my drink.
We got 2 bird paws, cheddar goldfish, and we got bowls for cheddar goldfish, water, and a water bottle for Knox that I pour water into his. And now let's go into a relaxing area.
So we're entering our bed that we made.
Yeah. We have a nice ground.
Oh, Carson, it got kind of wrecked.
Oh, that got right in the video.
Okay, guys, so I'll just be right. So just get a pause. So Carson just fixed it, and we're inside our bed.
Yep, we got a nice comfy blanket.
It's like a king bed, but for a fort. It's so comfy.
And it broke again.
Oh my gosh.
Do it staple. You can just go on your video.
Yeah. We got this right here. I don't know what that is, but we can just we got a fire exit. It's right there.
And on the other side.
That's why we usually go on. That's why we usually. Oh my God, I gotta fix this, guys. Our blanket for our sheets, it keeps on falling apart, and you guys don't know how snowy it is outside.
And we got a nice sunroof. Show them the sunroof.
Okay, so this is it's not really a sunroof, but it's
a little
light. If we want to sleep and we want some light.
Hey, Knox, you want a drink?
Sure. So Carson's just getting me a drink. This is our living room. Actual water.
I'm gonna get some goldfish. Bear paw.
Yeah, I'll save that for later. Just put my stuff here. I'm gonna actually get this on
that's
YouTube.
your
So
fort?
I'll be right back, guys. So we're back. As you can see, there, bear paw and water.
And we're I'm kind of fixing it.
Yeah, he's kind of fixing it.
Yeah, fixing it.
This is our third.
Not kind of fixing it, but fixing it.
This is our third sleepover, right? Or second? Fourth? Oh. Cause
we're only 8 years old.
Yeah.
4 sleepover. But for us, this is my 10th sleepover. Really?
This is my 6-ish.
Okay, I'm coming in.
Okay, you're coming in.
So, guys, did you like our fort?
Hopefully you did.
Comment down below.
Comment down below because
if you liked our fort or not.
And comment down below.
I told you it wasn't really that messy over there, but make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell. Goodbye.
And guys, we got a kind of a Star Wars blanket. So comment down below if you've seen the new Star Wars movie. It broke again.
See ya!
Peace. Wait. Oh my God, it doesn't work. All right.